Do you know many people are having trouble with their Frigidaire FDPH431LAF dishwasher not draining? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check disposal connection. First, check if the dishwasher is connected to a food waste disposer and ensure the disposer is empty. Step 2. Remove knockout plug. Next, make sure the knockout plug is removed from inside the food waste disposer inlet. Step 3. Inspect drain hose. Verify the drain hose is not kinked or clogged. Step 4. Verify cycle completion. Ensure the cycle is complete and not in a pause mode. Step 5. Clean glass trap. Check and clean the glass trap to avoid clogs. Step 6. Pre-rinse dishes. Pre-rinse your dishes before loading them to prevent odor buildup. By following these steps, your dishwasher should be draining properly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.